Hello, today I'm going to show you how easy it is to insert a SIM card to the Tetis R. First, we will identify the side with the connection symbol. The other side is the battery. Open the part with the connectivity symbol and use this little key I have here. Press it in the hinge of the unit. Take it out, and on the other side you will find two screws. Unscrew them, and once you have removed the screws, pull from the other side and the battery with the compartment will come out. Once it is open, you will see a small compartment with a metal cover. To open it, slide it down a little bit and it will open automatically. Then, insert the SIM card with the gold part facing down, ensuring it aligns with the cut on the right side. Cover it with the metal cover by sliding it back, and that's it. Now we will reassemble it. Put back the screws. And you're done.